Shake that bag, boy. Let's get them going.
Shake it.
One under the boat.
So we're out here. There's the house. Right there. We pulled out to go for a little boat ride and we saw right there in front of you.
Right there in front of you.
See him? See the boil? Right there.
Right there.
Yeah, I saw it.
At least the tail popping up.
Oh, there's one
Right in front of the boat.
I wonder what's spooky.
Oh, yeah. Right there.
Don't jump on the boat. Don't jump. Y'all be quiet too, because they can hear sound coming through the bottom. Real. Don't let go of that pole.
What's the matter? No, your dad's got it filmed.
What you think you got, Bubba?
Big old grouper or a shark or something.
Wise grouper.
All right.
That'd take long.
Remember, keep it in the water. Don't reel it all the way to the tip.
Come, go to the right. Go to the right. Get up on the deck. Go right.
It's a shark.
Nice.
Oh, is that a hammerhead?
All right, stop it right there.
Oh, it's your shovel now.
Stop it right there.
Bonnet
Don't
head.
let them go underneath the boat. Don't let them get up in the anchor.
All right, it's a small one, but don't let them in the boat.
Don't hook them in the boat. You need to grab them?
I got it. I just got to get him behind the head.
Oh, look at
All right. Oh. Nice. All right, give me the pole.
All right.
All right. Good deal, buddy.
Let him go.
Sure.
All right.
There you go.
And we need to clean some blood up.
Bloody.
Oh, that other tail.
Bubba, what are we doing?
We're fishing for shark and stuff.
Where are we at?
The Gulf of Mexico.
We're near the Vaca cut
Yeah. Big.
off of Marathon. We just caught one bonnet head. Trying to get something else going. We got chum going. The chum bag shaker is doing his job. A couple lines in the water. Captain Gary's putting us on some
We're
shark
trying.
of some sort. Got a little storm moving in a little bit. But it's still far away.
That's it.
House we're staying at is just right over there.
Oh, that one.
Oh, get that one, Dave.
Get it, get it, get it.
Whatever it is.
Yeah. Anchor underneath the boat.
One under the boat.
Woo!
I gotta go that way. Gotta go that way.
Got it?
Do the anchor rope dance.
Jump tarpon.
That's what I'm thinking about.
Jump tarpon.
Dude, that was a little piece of bait.
All right, Zach, reel that up. Reel it up, Zach. Reel it up.
That's good.
Shark. Shark. Yep.
It's just on a small rod. Wow. I'm sorry, Zach. I caught another shark. Surprised he ain't cut the leader yet.
What is that?
Same bonnet head.
All right, I'm gonna stop videoing.
Holy crap.
I don't want to get the other lines. Just keep telling us what we got.
All right,
Damn it, man. That was
it
crazy.
was fun.
What do you want me to?
I'll do it.
You gotta hold on to the pole, Zach. You
I
can't let
have
it
to flip it.
Flip that up. Start reeling. Yank. No, hang on. Reel, reel, reel. Nothing? Oh, wow. Dropped
Could've
it.
just grabbed it back in like before.
Yeah, dropped it. Oh, wow. That stinks.
Oh,
What you got, Big D? Big Dave's got him something going on, bending the rod over.
oh, it's a shark.
Oh, another bonnet head on the light tackle. We're getting it done today. Because we're kind of running out of time anyway, so.
You're about to get wet.
We got a big storm rolling in.
Well, all of us have a shark today.
Just circle hook. It'll come right out.
Want me to cut it?
All right, good release, guys. Well, we got the big rods out. I hope we can catch us a nice bull shark or something. Or a hammerhead, but we're catching bonnet heads on the small rods. So anyway, that's awesome. Okay, what you got, Mr. G?
Look like a shark.
Looks like a shark. Yep, bonnet head. Yep. Cool.
Come here. You gonna make another run for it? Come over this side.
Sure. Can you lift him in the boat? There you go. They're strong, man.